National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, south central Richland County in central South Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Red Bank, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Casey, Red Bank, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, Gaston, South Carolina State Farmers Market, Sandy Run, Pelion, New Zion, Lexington County Airport at Pelion, Lexington Acres Pond, Peachtree Rock, Edmond, Silver Lake, Dixiana, and Red Bank Sports Complex. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 47 and 50. Interstate 26 between mile markers 116 and 125. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 3.